Can you guess this word in 3 seconds? A headache. A headache. A stomachache. A stomachache. A toothache. A toothache. An earache. An earache. Chickenpox. Chickenpox. Do exercise. Do exercise. Eat fast food. Eat fast food. Eat too much. Eat too much. Eat vegetables. Eat vegetables. Get some rest. Get some rest. Play outside. Play outside. See a dentist. See a dentist. Sick. Sick. Skip breakfast. Skip breakfast. Sleepy. Sleepy. Sore. Sore. Stay up late. Stay up late. Stuffed up. Stuffed up. Take a bath. Take a bath. Take some medicine. Take some medicine. Terrible. Terrible. The flu. The flu. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Week. Week.